Hello my dear students, welcome in maths class. In this video I am going to discuss chapter number 3 coordinate geometry of class 9 of Cartesian system, and then after this we will discuss exercise 3.2. So let's start with the basic points of the Cartesian system. Take two number lines x dash x and y dash y. Place x dash x horizontal and y dash y is vertical. One is horizontal line, everyone we know about the number line, and one line is vertical. One is horizontal and one is vertical. So combine both the lines such a way that the two lines cross each other at their zeros. At point 0 they will cross each other. The horizontal line x dash x is called the x-axis, and vertical line y dash y, this is y dash. The vertical line y dash y is called the y-axis. The point where x dash x and y dash y cross is called the origin. The point where these two are cross each other, that point is called the origin. This point is called origin. So from here one thing is clear, the coordinates of the origin are 0, 0. We observe the axis divides the plane into the 4 parts. These 4 parts are called the quadrants. So there are 4 quadrants because these axes dividing the plane into the 4 parts. These 4 parts are called the quadrants. They are numbered as quadrant 1, 2, 3 and 4. Anti-clockwise direction from OX. We will start from this OX. We will move anti-clockwise direction like this way. First quadrant, then second, then third and then fourth. We call the plane, this plane, Cartesian plane or the coordinate plane or XY plane. The axes are called like this x-axis and y-axis. These axes are called the coordinate axis. So and after that there are some basic points. The x coordinate is called the abscissa and y coordinate is called the ordinate. This is one example I have written. Suppose we want to locate the point 2, 3 on the graph. So the value of x is called abscissa, that is 2 here, abscissa is 2, and ordinate, that is the value of y, ordinate is 3 here, and the coordinates of the origin are 0, 0. So we have to write like this way in ordered pair in the bracket. So now I'm going to discuss exercise 3.2. There are some basic questions in exercise 3.2. So exercise here, write the answer in each of the following questions. What is the name of the horizontal and the vertical line drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? Just now I have discussed in the Cartesian plane, this is horizontal line. Horizontal line is called x-axis, and this is vertical line, it is called the y-axis. So horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. The second part of this question is, what is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? So each part of the plane is called the quadrant, because that plane is dividing the whole Cartesian plane into the 4 quadrants. That is so every part is known as the quadrants. Third is, what is the name of the point where these lines intersect? So name of that point is the origin. Now after this we have to write the answers from this this figure. So question is here, see this figure and write the answer. The coordinates of B. So the coordinates of B are -5, 2, because the value of x is, this point is in front of value of x, that is -5, and y is 2. So its answer is -5, 2. So we have to write like this way, -5, 2. Next is the coordinates of the point C. So coordinates of the point C. The coordinates of the point C are 5, -5. So we have to write like this way, 5, -5. Next one is the point identified by the coordinates -3, -5. So -3 is this one and -5 is this point, is the point E. And the next one is the point identified by the 2, -4. The point identified by the point 2, -4 is the point G, because it is in front of 2 and minus of 4. The next one is the abscissa of the point D. Point D is here. Its coordinates are 6, -2. So abscissa is 6. Abscissa is the value of x. Ordinates of point H. So point H is here. Ordinate means value of y. So in front of this value of y is -3. So ordinate is minus of 3. The coordinates of the point L. So point L is on the y-axis. When the point is on the y-axis, the value of x will be 0. So coordinates of the L will be the 0, 5. The coordinates of point M. So M point is on the x-axis. So when the point is on the x-axis, the value of y will be 0. So coordinates of the point M will be the minus 3, 0. So the coordinates are minus 3, 0. So we have to write the answers in one line. So that's all in this video, and in the next video I will discuss exercise 3.3. Thank you very much.